Hi, today I'm going to show you how to solve problem 30 from the 2017 Math Kangaroo grades 5 to 6. Here's the problem. In each cell of a 6x6 board there is a lamp. We say that two lamps on this board are neighbors if they live in cells with a common side. At the beginning, some lamps are lit, and each minute every lamp having at least two lit neighbor lamps is lit if the three lamps have a common vertex. What is the minimum number of lamps that need to be lit at the beginning in order to be sure that at some time all the lamps will be lit? So there's a 6x6 board, and in each cell there is a lamp that could be lit or not. So here's the 6x6 board, and for example, this cell here and this cell here are going to be neighbors because they share this common side. And a cell, for example, this cell is only going to become lit if it has two neighbors that share, where all three have a common vertex that will be lit. So for example, if this lamp is lit and this lamp is lit here, these three have a common vertex, so this lamp will also get lit. But even if we have two neighbors lit, like this one and this one, the three don't share a common vertex, so this lamp will still stay not lit. So we want to light some lamps at the beginning so that at some point all the lamps are going to be lit. And we see that if we have like these two lamps lit, for example, then after a minute these two will also get lit. And then at this point we're stuck. The lighting of these two lamps doesn't trigger any more lamps to be lit. So the next minute nothing's going to happen. However, if we had another lit lamp, for example here, then this new lamp that just got lit would cause this lamp to get lit later. And we see that here, if we have the lamps lit, if there was a lit here, that would be done. But how can we cause that lamp to get lit? Well, if we have a row of three that get lit instead of just two, that would cause some lamps to get lit. For example, if we have a row like this, then that would cause these two and these two. And then further that would cause these two. And so we see when we have this diagonal row of lamps that are lit, that causes an entire square to be filled out here. So here we have a 3x3 square, and when we started with a diagonal with two lamps, that caused us to have a 2x2 square. And this diagonal fills out each diagonal of the square all the way. So it seems like this pattern could cause the entire 6x6 grid to become lit. For example, instead of starting with, if we start instead of with a 3 diagonal, if we light all 6 lamps on this diagonal here, then the next time we'll have these here and these here. These here will come after that, and then these here at the same time, because this one. And then after that there'll be this diagonal and this diagonal, and then these two, and then this last one here. So that will cause all the lamps to get lit. And that's 6 lamps at the beginning, and this is going to be the smallest number needed, because if we don't have this diagonal, then at some point we'll get stuck. We'll we'll finish lighting all the lamps, and then the new lamps we get from that are not going to be able to light new lamps. So the answer is 6. Thank you.